Introducing the Realme Smartwatch 2 Pro. It is available in the colors like space grey and metallic silver. It has a super bright touchscreen display that helps in screen visibility even in direct sunlight. The size of the screen is 4.4 centimeters with large screen size and high brightness. It's a skin-friendly silicone strap that ensures durability. It's lightweight and easy to wear. It's packed with an inbuilt rechargeable long-lasting lithium-ion 390 mAh battery. It comes with 14 days of battery life. It is compatible with Android and iOS operating systems. It automatically tracks the heart rate 24/7 and the blood oxygen levels. It has a high-precision dual satellite GPS supporting GLONASS that helps to get precise route info, step tracking and activity monitoring. It supports 90 sports mode and weather forecasts. It also updates the calls and messages notifications. It can be connected through Bluetooth and USB. It's compatible with tablets and smartphones. The smartwatch comes with custom watch faces that have about 100 plus pre-built watch faces. It's featured with water-resistant IP68. It's a smart control device. It contains a watch, charger and user guide. This product comes with a standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.